Hey guys, Simply Coley here, and today we're going to be doing a making of sort of situation. I just wanted to show you guys how I make my iced coffee, which is not a terribly exciting thing, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun, you know, show you guys how you can make it at home and it'd be super tasty and low calorie. So let's get to the showing. Okay guys, so I wanted to give a little DIY iced coffee sort of situation, and here is what I use to make iced coffee. And actually I don't use most of these ingredients. I just wanted to show you different options that you could have to put in your coffee if you desired. So the first thing I do is, normally I have a Starbucks insulated cup, but just for the purposes of this video I have a mason jar just so you can see inside the contents. Plus I actually do drink out of these regularly with water and stuff when my Starbucks cups are dirty. And that's pretty often because I like to use them. So, and plus they're kind of big and I like how big they are. So anyway, so the first thing you want are just your ingredients. And what I put in my coffee is, I used a cup, obviously. I put ice in it. And then I have this Starbucks iced coffee. I get the unsweetened kind, so it helps lower the calories. I prefer the medium roast. I have got the blonde one. I tried the blonde one last time. I didn't like it. It wasn't as good. I don't know, I didn't like it. I also have these different kinds of sugar, which depending on, you know, your situation, what you prefer, you know, you pick what you like. So some people could go just straight sugar, which generally I would do, but because I want this to taste more like a Starbucks drink, in my opinion, I like this one the most. It is the caramel syrup from Starbucks, which you can just get at the store. It is freaking delicious. It tastes just like the caramel that they put in the caramel syrup or whatever it is that they put in like the frappuccinos and stuff. It tastes just like it. These two are sugar-free options, which you can also find just at the store. And obviously these are better if you're trying to like have lower calories. And I prefer this one. I think is kind of gross. Salted caramel. I do not like this flavor at all. That's why there's the most of that one. This one, or wait, there's actually less of this one than this. I think because I over-poured it a couple times. Maybe that's why it was so gross. I don't know. I just don't like it very much. It's kind of like a burnt caramel, which is not my favorite. Anyway, the other one that I really like, so this one's number 1, this one's number 2. It's the classic hazelnut, which I do put in sometimes if I want even fewer calories. And this one's really good. I like the hazelnut flavor. I wish I got a toffee one. I really want a toffee one. I think that would be even better. But generally I prefer pure sugar to fake sugar because I just cannot stand the flavor of fake sugar. I don't know if anyone's with me on that, but fake sugar tastes so gross. So these are just actually, like, this is like a liquid stevia from Kroger that doesn't have the packaging on it anymore, or maybe Walmart, I don't know. But you could do that too if you already have that laying around, or you could do sugar. And then I always put in almond milk instead of regular milk just because it has fewer calories. You can see this one only has 30 per serving, and it's unsweetened because I'm already going to put a sweetener in it. And I usually like to get the one that has a vanilla flavor, but my husband bought this and he didn't know what he was doing, so he bought this kind. The vanilla flavor one is really good and it doesn't add any extra calories or anything. So this is generally what I have, and so let's just, you know, get into it, I guess. So I'm going to take my cup and get ready for some loud noises because I'm going to put some ice in it, as if you didn't already hear some from that gigantic truck that was driving by. It's like, oh, that's water. It's like a vlog style. I like a lot of ice. That way it stays, you know, nice and cold. So it takes me a long time to drink this stuff. Plus, if the more ice you put in, the less drink you put in, which fewer calories. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this in here. I have no measuring. I just pour it in. That might be a lot. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Okay. Next, the milk. It says to shake it, so we shakes it. Then you just put in however much you like, whatever color you like. Oh, it's so pretty. The lighting in this corner is just atrocious. But this is my coffee bar. I have like a whole coffee setup because I have a problem. Look how cute that looks. That looks freaking adorable. Love it. Okay, and then I just put in some of this just for a little bit of sweetness. And by a little, I really mean a little. Can you open it? Ugh. Okay, gotta watch this because it just is. Okay. And then you just stir it up and you drink it. And that's it, my folks. That's it, my friends. That's the whole, oops. That's it. That's the whole scoop. That's how you make it. It's not hard. It's pretty easy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you truly enjoyed it. If you guys like this and want to see other videos of mine, please definitely give this one a like and subscribe. I have tons of weird random videos all over this channel because I just make a video of whatever I like and whatever I'm in the mood for. And so I've got try-ons, unboxings, reviews, all sorts of weird stuff. So definitely check out my channel. I have a playlist as well that kind of categorizes things to make it a little bit easier to find what you're looking for. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!